Welcome to my vending machine. Welcome to my vending machine.
Let's add some red color to this water, okay?
Okay. I'm feeling hungry. Wow, so many snacks. Press here. How does it work? Welcome to my vending machine. 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 Let me try some snacks. Welcome to my vending machine. No snacks? Only empty cover? You need coins for snack. You need coins for snack. You need coins for snack. Coins? Okay. Put the coin in the machine for snack. Let me buy more snacks. No coins?
Ooh!
Nothing coming out? We only accept coins. We only accept coins. Only coins? Then give me my money back. We only accept coins. We only accept coins. Coins for snack. You need 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 coins for snack.
Ashu? Ashu? Did you finish your work?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, let me check.
Was that a dream?
Very good. Are you feeling hungry?
Yes.
Okay, let's go and have some snack.
Yes, Mama. This vending machine, it's scary, Mommy.
No, Ashu, it's just a vending machine. Banana.
Oh, it's just a vending machine.
Yes, Ashu.
Ashley, that's for you. Yes, this is the bubbles when it comes. Look, Ashley. Ah! So many bubbles. Let's push this and push it like this. Okay, you're pushing it.
Ashu, what is the matter? Why you are upset?
Mommy, tomorrow's back to school.
Back to school? Then you're going to have fun and you can see all your friends tomorrow. Okay, wait. Ashu, look what I got for you.
Huh? What is that, Mommy?
Check yourself. Go get it out.
Wow, my new bag! Nice pouch. Wow.
And that's your lunch bag. And that's your pouch, pencil case.
Wow, I love them, Mommy. Can I try now? Can I try now, please?
No, it's for tomorrow's school, okay?
Okay. Can't wait for tomorrow's school. I'm ready for school. Bye, Mommy.
Okay, bye Ashu. Enjoy your school.
I don't know any science experiments. Let me go and ask Mommy. Mommy.
What is it, Ashu?
Mommy, Auntie learned some science experiments. Can you show me, Mommy?
Science experiments? Okay, I know a few. Let's try, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Ashu, are you ready?
Yes.
First, you need to wear this.
Thank you, Mommy.
And you need to wear your coat.
Okay.
First, we'll make a rainbow cloud in the glass jar.
Yes.
Now we'll make a cloud with shaving foam. We have different colors here.
Okay.
First, which color we do? Red?
Let's do this one.
We've got the color here. You just drip the colors through the shaving foam. Look. Oh, we'll add red.
Oh, this is coming.
Look!
Yay!
It's a rainbow cloud, yeah?
Yes, boy.
The green colors are coming?
Yes. Wow, so colorful, Mommy. Mommy, can we try another one?
Okay. Let's pour some water here in this plate. Let's add some red color to this water, okay?
Okay.
Enough. We place the lamp here, okay?
Okay.
I got this candle with the fire. This experiment you need to do with the supervision of an adult, okay?
Okay.
So now we are going to place this candle in the middle of the water.
Okay.
Now that's an empty glass. I'm going to cover the candle with this glass.
Okay.
Now we'll place the glass and you can see water is going to raise into the glass, okay?
Okay.
Look, the water is coming up, look.
And the candle came up too.
Yeah, the candle is floating in the water, look there.
Wow, this is so cool. Experiment, Mommy.
Yes.
How can you do that, Mommy?
I got an air blower here. So when you blow air, the ball floats. Did you like the experiments?
Thanks for showing me the experiments, Mommy.
You're welcome. But don't do these experiments without an adult next to you, okay?
Okay, Mommy. I'm going to school. Hi.
Hi.
Can I
Go in. There is some rolls.
go in? Uniform. Backpack. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Can I go in?
In? Yes.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Good morning, children.
Good morning, Miss.
Shall we start today's lesson?
Okay, Miss.
Let's start. No toys in the school. You need stationery.
Sorry, Miss. Oh, yeah.
Very good. Let's start now. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
So the lesson is finished.
I'm feeling hungry.
Now it's a break time.
Yeah.
good for health.
Sorry, miss.
You need to eat fruits and vegetables which are very good for health. Okay?
Okay, miss.